all, a very happy good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. In today's class, you're going to learn about your revision, and in our previous class, we finished our syllabus. You have for PA2, you have lesson 2, lesson 3 and grammar nouns. Is it clear, children? You have lesson 2, lesson 3 from textbook, and regarding your grammar textbook, you have nouns for your PA2 syllabus. And today we will start our revision part. Whatever the worksheets I will be giving, that worksheets you have to write in your homework books. Is it clear, children? So now let us open your homework books and get ready with your pencils. Let us start. Children, let us start our revision. You have to write in your homework book. This is your worksheet 1, part 1. Right? Start with the meanings. Give meanings. Plain, fluffy, veil, apple pie, straw, exchange. So you have to write here answers for the meanings. And word search. Here there is a box with some alphabets. For that you have to write. You have to circle. You have to circle the words, right? And here add the letters TH and write the complete words. So here they have given some words. For that words you have to add TH. Whether it is before the word or after the word, you have to add TH and you have to write the full word in the given blank. Let us say SEVEN, 7, INK, WI, IRTY, TEE, SMOO, PAIN. So you have to add TH to the given word, whether it is before the word or after the word. You have to write the correct spelling and you have to write two rhyming words of your choice. Here I have given words. For that words you have to write rhyming words. That means you have to write two rhyming words in the blanks. Let us check. SAD, sad. Here you have to write two rhyming words for this sad. MADE, made. Again you have to write here two rhyming words. RUDE, rude. SILLY, silly. Here fifth Roman. Match the common nouns. Here you have given matching. For this matching you have to underline which word suits for this. That means these are common nouns, right? A sketch of flat land. The topmost point of a mountain. So you know the answers, children. A sketch of a flat land. So what is the common word we use for these sentences? That answer you have to match for this matching. Is it clear, children? Once again I am repeating. For the given sentences you have to match what is the common word or common noun we use. That you have to match for the answer, right? A sketch of flat land. Second, the topmost point of a mountain. Third one, water that falls from the sky. Something you lay on the floor in a room. Fifth one, a person you play with and like being with, right? So for this they have given A, rain, B, carpet, C, friend, D, peak, E, plane. So these are the sentences they have given. For these sentences, what is the common noun suits for the sentence that you have to match. Let us see a video about a common nouns, right? Common noun, a noun that gives a general or common name to person, place, animal or thing is called a common noun. For example, person, place, animal and thing. It is the name of a group of similar things we call as common nouns. Now, boy. Boy is referred to any boy. To a particular boy, the word boy is a common noun. We can use that boy to any of the boy. For example, if it is a city, the word city is generally used for any of the city. It refers to any city. That is, it is not a specific city name. Horse. This is an animal. It refers horse is any of the horse. Here, any of the horse is used as a common noun. Chair. Chair is not referred to any chair. It is not a special chair. This is common to any of the